big old branch that fell right here. But let me tell you about something about Jesus though. They got electricity. We would have stayed at our apartment if we had electricity. Like, low-key depressing. Well, the bread had like defrosted, so we just took it out. But yeah, imagine like a whole full thing and like now it's nothing. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Mama, for real? Yeah, girl, I tried. Y'all, hold on, focus. Y'all, I really had planned to record a life update, a whole new video, like, yeah. But, you know, the winter storm had different plans and we got no electricity. We have 0 power. Luckily we still have hot water because we do have gas, so we still have hot water. But like, we don't have electricity. It's ridiculous. Let me show y'all the car, hold on. Okay y'all, so maintenance just knocked on my door to move my car because there's a big tree branch right next to my car. But let me tell you something about Jesus. The tree branch, let me show y'all real quick, hold on. Tree branch could have fell right on the car, like right on the windshield and everything. But let me tell you something about Jesus though, because there was another one that they already moved in front of my car, like another big old branch that fell right here. But let me tell you about something about Jesus though. That could have landed straight on my windshield because it was right there, but it fell that way. Let me tell you about my Jesus though. Because the car, I'm still moving the car, but in the midst, God still had our back. Alright y'all, so it's several hours later. We are in the car headed to drop my sister off at my brother's apartment, and then we're gonna head to babe's mom's house because we still got no electricity at all. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I did wash all them dishes in the sink before we left because they already got break-ins. Yeah. You said break-ins? Yeah, that's what the police over there. Oh, I didn't see them. Looting? What is there to steal over there? They got some nice furniture over there. But they would have to get a whole truck to get the furniture out. Well, yeah y'all, so that's what's currently going on. And there's some people on the road. It's really icy. It's just, yeah, it's wet. It's kind of like melting at this point though. What is this car doing? No, it's an overpass that are icy. Oh, did y'all see that? Yeah, the ice is off. Power lines. Yeah. A shoe. Wait, maybe that's I don't know. Maybe, or maybe a cord of some sort. I don't know, but I mean, we rarely got fall, but yeah, y'all, like all the trees have so much ice on them, so they've been falling on power lines. So yeah, we ain't had, yeah, it's just kind of like a mess at this point. But yeah, walking through it, like, look at that, y'all, look, hopefully y'all can see that, all of the ice, all of the trees, you know, on that side. This didn't really happen last year.
I think last year was better. It wasn't as bad.
Do you remember?
Last
I know 2021 was bad because it actually like snowed for all those days and whatnot, but like I don't remember. What are you doing? I don't remember, like, y'all look at this. I don't remember 2021 being like this. I mean 2022 being like this time last year. Like, look at that. I don't remember this. I don't think it was like this. I think it did get cold, but I don't think it dropped and we had ice like this. It's just one of those things, like with Texas, it's kind of like a hit or miss. You just never really know if it's gonna like ice, snow. You just don't know what you're gonna get anymore. I feel like usually it would be like, oh, it's supposedly going to snow or whatever, and it just never would happen. So everybody just ignored it, and now it's like something you can't really ignore. Like, we really out here or whatever. So yeah, y'all, I'll get back with y'all. See y'all when we get to my mother-in-law's house.
Let me show you how you talk to me. Ride around the city, you get lost with me. I don't understand how I get it and I walk with it.
Okay, blindside.
Let me show you how you talk to me. Ride around the city, you get lost with me. I don't understand how I get it and I walk with it. Telling me to quit it, I don't even wanna rock with it. She was in my lane trying to switch like a new game. I can't even glitch, losing everything beside me. Mama needs some meds, I ain't trying to hear the same thing. See me in the mix and I only get it this way, yeah. After school, I get it going on a D-low. Open up my phone, I can see if you could be hope. Empty out a clip, I'ma shoot until she deep throat. Now I'm kinda gone, got emotions I can't reach though. She was tryna link with me, she got booked for a ticket and a look for me, that's not good. Gotta get it to the strength, better watch my hood. Pouring mud in the cup, I said to look so shook. Shot a movie, once I know it's camera to the action. Open up the store, I got a plan, I know I'm rapping. Moving to the scene, I gotta get it so dramatic. Moving hella so I'm knowing you a steady captain.
So we had to stop and get gas because we only had like 65 miles left. So thankfully some gas stations are open. Like I said, like there are people on the road. It's not like super bad as it was like a few days ago, because mind y'all, it's all really started like Monday night and it is Thursday, right? Yeah, today's Thursday. I'm supposed to have a class at 6:30 via Zoom, but yeah, we didn't have no electricity and I just don't see how that's gonna happen. I really don't. I don't know, I'm gonna email my professor. But yeah, so luckily gas went down to $2.99. That's currently what it's at. This was not the vlog I wanted to bring out for the beginning of the new year, like I said, but it's whatever. Things happen. You tell Josh we down the street. No. Look at little baby. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong? You said Sarah was bald headed. Okay.
Oh, you wanted snow? She wanted snow. She got ice. Like, yeah. But yeah, there's power outages all over Austin, like throughout Austin. It's crazy. What?
Go ahead.
Oh. Turn off?
Yeah. I need my key.
Oh. But yeah, there's power outages all throughout Austin.
Hello?
So, yeah. HEB is open. That's where we at right now. HEB, because like gallon gas. $2.99. I'm so hungry. We couldn't eat because
I mean, honestly, I don't.
we don't have no electricity. Like, you can't eat if there's no electricity.
Well, we're over at, I'm with Taryn and I'm down to getting gas. We're taking over the doctor right now because we're going over to his mom's house in Taryn.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
No, they don't.
Y'all got
They got electricity. We would have stayed at our apartment if we had electricity.
They got electricity.
But we ain't had none, so we had to leave, y'all.
I think.
Alright, you guys, we've made it to our destination. Hopefully the lights come at our apartments. I'm gonna text one of our neighbors and see if the lights come on later on, because right now it's like 11:45. So I'll check in and see about that. If they back on tonight, did you want to go home? You don't know yet. So yeah, we're about to go in here and get warm and hopefully get some food because I'm hungry. You hungry, Bailey? Y'all tired? And hungry. Alright, then I forgot. Alright, you guys. So it is many hours later. We didn't ate because, you know, twice, yeah, because we didn't have food that was like not, that we didn't have to cook. So yeah, we ate. It is like 6:28 and we're actually winding down. We have our hostess here.
Hey you guys.
Our hostess, she's setting up the TV for us.
Hey you guys.
And Bailey's over there. But our hostess
This is ghetto, y'all.
and our tour guide.
Come on. I'm gonna turn that power by my
Hey you
hand.
guys. We're at my Luggie's house.
Yeah.
Some
So
little ugly dude.
yeah.
Some little ugly dude.
Baby, come look in the mirror.
Sorry.
So yeah, y'all, we're sleeping here tonight until our lights come on. They're supposed to come on tomorrow afternoon, I believe. So we'll be here.
No, look.
But that's Roy.
No, that's you.
But that's Roy.
But that's you.
Oh, look at you.
But that's Roy.
That look like him.
Look. Look at
You look
the
like one of them
bottom.
90 kids with the television when they got on TV.
Look at the bottom, mommy.
that
Look
little
at
photo
the bottom. Look at the bottom.
Who was that?
Look at Roy.
Uncle Ed.
Yeah.
Look at Roy.
Who was that? Lewis. What, he hiding in the background? That's what he do in real life.
Sakari big head and
Oh, look at y'all. Y'all so cute. I think we got a picture similar to this.
Every black family has a picture similar to that.
You're right, every family. So where is y'all picture with all the black women? You know what picture I'm talking about? Every black family had the same. Shh. Every black family had the same picture of the black people.
RJ's short. He's short.
I can't see that. Okay.
Wait, I want to see it.
Taryn, you was short.
What?
Shorter than mom.
Where y'all at? No, like what was going on?
Oh, he's right there. I see him.
Yeah, I see him too. But what was going on?
We had a where were we?
Mommy, look at this.
90th?
Yeah,
90th?
Oh wow.
Look.
Yeah, who's the baby?
Was that on
My
your
room. Don't disturb Kyrie. If you need something.
First of all, you are a hostess. We're supposed to disturb you. You're the point of contact here. So when we need something, we just come right here, right there.
She's not available.
She is
I'm
available.
not gonna be available.
You are available. You live here.
No.
You're the point of contact.
I'm visiting.
No, but you have a room. We're visiting. We're sleeping on couches.
You had a choice to sleep in the air mattress, but you wanted to be like,
Hey, we don't have a door. We don't have a door.
Sleep here by himself.
We don't have a door, y'all.
I
She
see a
live
door
here.
right there.
Dad go into another room. That go into the closet. Does that not go into the closet? That look like a closet to me. Bailey, you sleep right there. All right, so if we need anything, our point of contact is to just come around the corner.
Hold on.
You ain't gonna get a response.
Yeah, I'll just open the door and say, a car.
You might get kicked.
I'll move quick.
You might get poo. You laughing? I'm serious.
Girl, bye. So anyway, yeah, our point of contact
So today we're at my lovey's house.
is over there.
And guess who we have?
Everybody got on their pajamas but me.
I just took on my mom.
Yeah, I'm about to change.
My mommy doesn't have her.
But alright, y'all.
I do, so they look cute.
We should be home tomorrow. Like I said, our what's it called? Lights should be on tomorrow afternoon. You know, hopefully that is the case in the circumstances. My sister, her apartment didn't have lights for like 2 days pretty much, so that's how she ended up at her friend's apartment, and then my apartment, and then my brother's apartment. So this is just a blessing we had somewhere to go. But alright, y'all, we'll check in later, if not later, because it's 6:33. What's good, y'all? So it is the next day and we're getting ready to head to the house to check and see if our lights are on. Yeah, check and see if our lights are on. Hopefully they are on, y'all. I'm tired. Yeah, it's about 11 o'clock. All the ice, it looks from what it looks like all the ice has melted. It's still cold, but all the ice is melted. I don't think the streets are icy anymore. There's definitely no more ice on the trees. So fingers crossed that the utilities are on. Well, our gas is still on because before we left we still had hot water, but the lights, there was no lights. And a lot of people, yeah, thousands upon thousands of people did not have lights. Like, that's so ridiculous. Yes, baby.
Can I came?
No, it's too early. So yeah, thousands upon thousands of people did not have lights, us being a part of those thousands in Austin, Texas. So fingers crossed. Let's hope that is not the case.
You don't want a 7 head.
Why are we all in the bathroom?
My blicky up in the dresser. A stick, 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 a lady. A stick, 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 a lady. My blicky. Have you seen the video?
No,
I'm
I
about to
don't
go.
want to. No.
I got you.
Yeah, I saw it.
Anyway, you ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to leave. Let me call my mom and start turn the alarm off so y'all can go.
You've been trying to put us out since 9 o'clock.
Turn. It's 11:09. Y'all, that's a fee. That is a fee.
Y'all, she was trying to put us out basically since we got here last night.
I did not. When y'all walked in, I was
You was like, why are you here?
no, I didn't say it
yes,
like
you
that.
did.
I didn't say it like that.
Then she said it like that. Why are we here?
No, I had showed that last night. When y'all walked in about like 12, because I just woke up. And then I heard Bailey at the door. I was like, what they here for? Some food. I knew they was here for some food. And then Mr. King go, oh. What?
Stop, baby.
BRB. They about to be.
She basically put us out the moment we got here.
RJ asked when checkout was, and I said it was at 11. It is 11:09.
You actually said 12.
I don't remember that.
I was thinking that you guys can go check on the lights.
No, Kari's putting us out, and she be putting us out since we woke up this morning. So we gonna leave, and we gonna wait for your mama to come home.
My mama.
Yes, the nice one.
The power back on? I don't know, but they about to
You
go.
about to go check.
I was thinking.
No, you gonna come with us.
Just in case it's
Just
on.
in case it's on. That way we ain't come back and get you.
Wait, so if it's not.
assume yet, but we do want to see if our lights are back on. Hopefully they are, because I'm tired. Like, I want to lay down. But yeah, we've noticed like all the trees breaking, and yeah, it's a mess out here. Luckily everything has melted, like all the ice is melted, like I said previously, but there's just like so many trees have just broken, which I don't know. I guess Texas, like, first of all, Texas is not a state that genuinely gets snow or ice or like on a regular, so this is not like a regular thing for us. So I don't know why ice would make a tree break. Like, is it the weight? Is it, I don't know, because when it snowed in 2021, this did not happen. It did not, like, nothing broke. Well, trees, from what I remember, didn't break. So I find that a little interesting. Very interesting. But yeah, we'll get back with y'all once we get back to our apartment, and we'll let y'all know if we got lights. All right, y'all, so still no power. Still no power. This is about to be, what, if it don't come on tonight, it'll be 48 hours. 48 hours with no lights. I figured because of the complex was like, just everything around our complex, it was like trees falling down. It didn't look like, hold on, it didn't look like, you know, there was power in our area, like even the stores near our area. So I had a feeling, but this definitely sucks. Yes, baby.
How long are we gonna stay at Lovey?
Oh, girl, we don't know. I can't give you an approximate time. So right now, babe's taking all the meat out and stuff of the freezer because it stinks. Because obviously it's not frozen. Because it ain't been frozen since day before yesterday. Yeah, y'all, I don't know. I was hoping we'd come home, lights would be on, and everything would be copacetic, and we could just come back, and yeah, but looks like we will not be coming home tonight. I'm gonna check back in with y'all. All right, y'all, so we are back at my mother-in-law's house, and yeah, we're back. Y'all, it's cold outside. I ain't gonna front. Like, I was so thankful we did not have to go, like, stay at our apartment because it's cold. All right, we ain't got no heat. What's up there? Like, we stayed in our jackets and our boots while we are in the apartment and just taking care of stuff because it was cold. It was real cold. So yeah, I'm thankful we ain't have to stay there. That's the one thing that I do appreciate about, you know, what our circumstances are right now, is that we ain't had to stay there, because no electricity means no kind of entertainment. I mean, you could read a book, but the sun gonna go down and then you ain't gonna have no more light to read that book. So yeah, so right now I'm just upstairs chilling. I'm probably gonna watch TV and try to relax my mind because your girl is stressed out and tired. A lot of my assignments have been pushed back. Baby school pretty much has been canceled all week. Like, they were doing a day-to-day assessment, and then like pretty much every day since Monday they've told us that, you know, they're canceling school. Even though today's Friday and things aren't that bad on the road and stuff like that, a lot of people do not have lights, like a lot. So a lot of families are displaced. Even pulling up to our apartment complex, there was really no one there. I mean, people who had to stay there were there, but like people who had a place to go, like us, I mean, they could have been at work as well, but I'm pretty sure they left because there's no lights. So a lot of families are displaced. So I think that was a huge reason why she didn't have school today, why they went ahead and canceled it. Because first of all, what sense would it make? She went to school Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday school's canceled, and then have to go to school Friday, and then no one has no lights. Not no one, but like a lot of people. But yeah, her school was basically saying that they were going to use her school like as a warming facility for families who had no lights and no place to go. So like from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. they were going to allow families to just come into the school and just be there, be somewhere warm. So I thought that was great. Luckily, you know, we came here, so just, your girl's tired. Tired. I was hoping to get this video up for y'all today. If the lights had been back on, I was like, oh, I could just edit, put the video up, like no biggie, whatever. No, we got no lights. So yeah, y'all, like right at this time I need to shower. I need to brush my hair, but that's not gonna happen. I really wanted to do a updated life update video for y'all, but that's not gonna happen, at least not this week, maybe next week. Yeah, I mean, at this point I'm just gonna keep y'all updated on what's going on. This has been somewhat of a roller coaster, just with everything. Like, y'all, we had to throw all the food out that, you know, was perishable. So that sucked a lot, like a lot, because y'all know, like, I'm in school, babe's on at work, so it's like we don't have the money to just be buying food. Like, it's a tough time. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch some TV, check y'all in a little bit. Roll on, everybody get your roll on. Hey, all right, y'all, so our power cut on at 11:59 last night. Austin Energy sent me a text message, so we going home. Do it matter? Anyway, so yeah, we're going home. We probably need to stop and get something to eat. I'm so hungry, like so hungry. But so babe, how you feel about our power being back on?
I get to go home, go to sleep.
They can't hear you. You gotta speak up. We what?
I get to go home, go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Bailey, you excited? Our power back on?
That's my
You excited?
yeah. I want to say hi to my friend.
Hi, friend. You gonna take the blankets to the car, or are you waiting on me? Just like you could have went down and got my clothes out the car.
I mean, the switch is good.
This basically all your clothes. This is whole outfit, y'all. This is shirt. These is pants. What's good, you guys? So we've been back home for a few hours. Yeah, we got back home like early this morning and just been kind of like relaxing because your girl's tired. I didn't fall asleep till like 4 o'clock this morning. But anyway, so I'm about to run to the store because we had to throw out all our food. Well, all of our like perishable stuff. So y'all, this is actually like low-key depressing. Well, the bread had like defrosted, so we just took it out. But yeah, imagine like a whole full thing and like now it's nothing. And like even down here, I'm sure some of this needs to get thrown out, especially this cheese. But anyway, yeah, so that's all that's in there right now. So yeah, I gotta run to the store and grab some stuff and then come home and clean up because tomorrow's Sunday. And it feels like even though we had the whole week off, yeah, even though we had the whole week off, like it just feels like it wasn't really restful because like obviously I wasn't at home. I couldn't be at home because the power went out, so for a good portion of days. So when I get home now, I'm clean up, and I actually gonna try to get this vlog out. If not today, tomorrow. If not today, tomorrow, we'll see what happens. But I definitely need to come home and clean up. I'm gonna leave the child here. Her father's upstairs, so I'm leaving her here. Like, that's the biggest blessing. Like, I've never been able to do that before. Just leave the house, y'all. I'm tired. Like, I need to put ginger on my list because I want to go back to doing my smoothies. And let me tell y'all, my inflammation of my joints has been ridiculous. Like, that's a whole separate video. Like, for real, it's a whole separate video. Yeah, the ginger. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna end out this vlog here. Yeah, I know it's been crazy if you've been in Texas, especially like Dallas, Austin, central area. Like, it's been crazy. Y'all stay blessed, y'all stay encouraged, and y'all stay in the word. Bye, honey.
Bye.